Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one trade with our 5-minute trading strategy. We are going to discuss the setup in detail so that you can learn from it. So first of all, we will try to analyze the chart, the market, and after that we will work according to the market analysis. We will try to decide on which setup we are going to work, and after the trade I am going to explain you the trading setup. So first of all, we will try to analyze the chart, and if you look carefully, you can say that the major trend is downtrend. So for us, trend is very important. The first thing is to look for what is the trend, and right now the trend is downtrend, and you can see market is going strongly in the downward direction, kind of a breakout here. So we will try to take trades in the direction of the trend. Second thing, we will try to draw some key levels. So we'll start from a trend line, and this is the trend line. I will make it white and bold. You can see this is a clear breakout. So first of all, I will increase the time frame here. Now as you can see, this is a breakout and market goes in the direction of the trend, so it's a good trading setup. Now for that we need confirmation. Right now market is retracing back. It is going to hit this level, and I think it is going to go in the downward direction. So what I will do, it's simple. We will take this as a breakout. So we will take a trade for the next 1 2 3 4 okay 5 minutes. So I have placed my trade here. Now let me explain you why I took a 3-minute trade here, because if we take this as a breakout, because I was recording the intro section, that's why we missed a trade here. So otherwise I should have placed my trade here. Now as you can see, it's a clear breakout. Market goes up, it retested this resistance level, and as we trade for 5 minutes, 2 minutes were already gone. So I took a 3-minute trade here, making it a 5-minute trade. So if you got a setup where you find a breakout, in such case you can take a trade for the next 5 minutes, because 2 minutes were gone. That's why I took a 3-minute trade here. Now let's wait for the result, because it is going to be in our favor for sure. Because if we look by price action, you can see that this is a double top pattern. The breakout is clear, and this candle also, you can see, retested this level and again goes down. So it's a clear breakout and it's not a fake out, and the trend is also downtrend. So we can say that all in all we have taken a good trade here. Right now it is again going in the upward direction. We can say that it's a retracement phase again, and we will try to take one more trade after this trade, because I can see that as it is at the resistance zone till now. So we can take one more trade here. So let's wait. I will wait for this trade to finish, and after that we are going to take one more trade, because the chances are very high that market reverses actually from the extreme level. Okay, market actually reverses from the extreme level. So we will stick with this trade only, and it is going to be a winning trade. And you can see market doesn't broke this resistance level, but if I get a chance I will take one more trade, or maybe in the upward direction, because market is respecting this extreme level of support. You can see here market rejected back very strongly in the upward direction. So let's wait for this trade to finish, and after that we are going to take one more trade. So as you can see, market is rejecting from the same level. It means that yes, it's a clear breakout. Market wants to go down, but because of this extreme level of support, as these levels are very very strong, market is finding it hard to go in the downward direction. Our trade is going to finish in the next 5 seconds. Okay, let's wait. 3 2 1, and so we have won this trade easily. The setup was clear. I have explained you the setup. It's a clear breakout, and the trend was also downtrend. There was a double top pattern. It's a reversal pattern also, and we took our trade here after getting 2 rejection from the same resistance level which we were taking as a breakout. So right now the case is clear. Now as you can see, first of all I will try to draw a level of support. We'll make it wide, bold, and so this is the zone. Now as you can see, market, if you take it as a range, you can say that market will travel in that range in the future. Like it can go down, it can go up, reject back from the level, goes down, and market can move like this if market doesn't break this support level. So what we will do, we will take this range as a trading opportunity. We'll wait for the market to hit this level, and if we get a confirmation, one second, okay, if we get a confirmation from this support level, as this is a strong level of support and an extreme level, we are going to place one more trade in the upward direction, because the breakout seems like it will take some time, and you can see the rejection, it was very strong from the buyer. So we can say that this level can work one more time and we can take profit by using the same. So let's wait. I think it is going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video to save some time. So let's wait, and we'll start as soon as I take a trade. So let's wait. So we have placed one more trade here. It's a clear breakout in the downward direction. The breakout is very clear and strong. So I took a 5-minute trade again in the direction of the trend. So let's wait, as it is going to take the next 5 minutes. So after the trade, I'm going to explain you why I took this trade, and will explain you one more time about this trading setup. So let's wait. So we have won this trade with a very little margin. It was a close call. Now, before explaining you about this trading setup, I want to tell you one thing, one very important thing. For those who think that taking a trade as soon as we saw a breakout is riskier, they can wait for some retracement and can place their trade at the levels that has been broken. Like in both of our trades, if someone has taken a trade at the very level after retracement, it could be a good winning trade. Like in my case, I took the trade as soon as there was a breakout, like at the breakout levels. But if you can wait for the retracement for the same level, then you can place your trade at the very level, and it will give you some margin of safety also. But in such cases, what happened is that sometimes you miss the opportunity and you feel frustrated. But for me, it was a clear trading setup. Market, yes, it took some time, and we won by a little margin. But for me, the market should be going strongly in the downward direction. It didn't happen well, because the level, the strength of this candle was strong. And let me show you the breakout in 5 seconds, because I saw it very clearly. You can see this candle I was talking, this was the breakout candle, and it was very strong. So I thought that whenever strong breakout happens, it shows strength and the volume. That's why I place my trade as soon as this candle finishes, and this is my strategy. Actually, I didn't wait for the retracement, but it will be wiser if I take a trade when it retraces. So I will advise for those who are beginners, they should wait for the market to retrace back, and if you find rejections, you can place your trade. But sometimes what happens is that market retraces back, but without even touching the level, it reverses back in the same direction. So in such case, I will advise you, for those who are in the very beginning of their trading journey, they should wait for the market to hit the level and reject back, then they can place their trade. And for those who understand market a little bit better, they can place the trade as soon as markets start retracing, and when they find some rejections like near the level, like in this case, if they find rejection like here, they can place a lower option, and in this case also, if they find rejection somewhere around here, they can place the trade. For those who are on advanced level, they can place their trade as soon as there is a breakout, but if they think that market will go in their direction. Like for me, it was very clear, because the thing that I didn't show you was the trend line, which I was actually looking also. So this was the trend line which I was also following. See, this trend line shows that market wants to go down because it shows a descending angle. Now for me, as you can see, market was forming the lower high, lower high, lower high, and it was also forming the lower low. So it's a price action that suggests that market should go in the downward direction, and the major trend was also downtrend. So for me, it was a win-win situation, because I was following the trend as well as the price action. The candlestick was in our favor, the breakout was clear, the momentum was there, and that's why I placed both of my trades. That you can see both of my trades were in the direction of the trend. The breakout was there and the volume was also there. In both cases I follow the trend and the price action, and that's why I placed my trade. So I think that I have explained this trading setup in as easy language as possible, but if you still have some doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And it's a great start for the year. These are my first trade of the year 2022, and I think it's a great start for me, and I hope same for you. So I will finish this video here, hoping that you have learned something out of this video, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.